Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how I made $300 using ChatGPT prompts. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide that will transform your approach to AI and boost your income. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video to spread the knowledge. Let's get started with this exciting journey. First, let's talk about the power of ChatGPT prompts. These are not just simple questions. They're strategic tools that can unlock new opportunities. By crafting the right prompts, you can generate content, ideas, and even solutions that people are willing to pay for. Let's explore how to create these prompts effectively. Start by identifying a niche or topic you're passionate about. This could be anything from tech reviews to cooking tips. Once you have your niche, think about what problems people face in this area. Use these problems to craft prompts that ChatGPT can respond to, providing valuable insights or solutions. Next, test your prompts. Use ChatGPT to generate responses and evaluate their quality. Are they insightful? Do they solve the problem? Refine your prompts until you consistently get high-quality outputs. This iterative process is key to mastering the art of prompt creation and maximizing your earnings. Once you have effective prompts, it's time to monetize. Consider offering your services on freelance platforms or creating a subscription-based model where clients pay for regular insights. Track your progress and adjust your strategy based on what works best. Remember, persistence and adaptation are crucial. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money with ChatGPT prompts. We hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more insightful content and happy prompting. Thank you for watching.